everybody. So what we've got today is Auntie's going to sit down and help the kids, and we've got our little pumpkin carving kit. Everybody's sitting down and getting ready for the pumpkin to be carved. Yay! All right, Auntie's got 2 pumpkins actually.
Okay.
We're going to start with a little pumpkin. Peanut's really getting excited about
Oh,
this.
you are getting excited, Peanut. Let's see how I'm...
Okay. It's a pumpkin. That's right, P.
I'm gonna turn it into a jack-o'-lantern.
We're going to turn it into a jack-o'-lantern. Especially, oh, Peanut wants to
Peanut,
get
you're
involved.
excited,
She's
huh?
very
I
much
like
excited about this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take that purple bucket and we're going to plop the
Hard
innards
to get.
into
There.
this purple bucket over here behind you. It's
We
right
got it.
behind you, Auntie.
Oh, but wait, I gotta make sure there's nothing sticking. You got
Yeah.
pumpkin.
I like pumpkins.
So you guys try to-
Derek really loves that stuffy
Look
pumpkin.
there, you guys.
For
Look,
some
it's
reason.
coming. Oh,
Whoa!
goodness.
Andrew, look! Derek, Peanut, look! Uh-oh, Andrew has got the white
Granny
pumpkin.
used to call it
He
pump.
always tries to grab the pumpkin.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Derek is coming to get another
Okay,
pumpkin.
it's pulp.
And Peanut,
Oh, so she-
guys, sit! Come on, guys, come on. Sit down and watch the
Here's-
pumpkin. Come on and see what's on the inside.
You thought it was pulp. It's pulp.
Okay, Peanut, look. Andrew, Derek. Okay,
I
they're
am cutting part of the pulp off. Trying to
okay.
get all the seeds
Jamie,
out.
Isaiah, do you guys care what kind of pumpkin we have?
After getting the seeds out.
What, Andrew? What?
Most of them are out now.
What is it, buddy? Okay, Auntie's getting the seeds out. Ilea, Jamie, do you want a happy face or do you want a sad face or a scary face?
I'm gonna look in here. I want to
yeah.
make it a happy face.
You want a happy
Jamie,
pumpkin. You don't want a scary pumpkin, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Or maybe we can make an angry pumpkin.
Oh
Or
boy.
maybe we can make like
To scare away other people.
Or maybe we can make like a snake face or something.
Oh my gosh. I don't think we're capable of that. That's kind of
Maybe.
complicated.
All right, let's figure out. Let's go back. Which face are we gonna make? The angry face?
No,
Scare away
a
people?
happy face.
The
Okay,
happy
let
face.
Jamie have the happy face first.
That's a good
And then
idea.
we'll do some other kind of
Is
face.
that one a happy face? Would you say it's
Yeah,
happy?
that's a happy.
That one's a little complicated.
Okay, and I would just improvise.
Okay.
Figure out what you can do to make it look cute and
It's
happy.
like, okay, so turn the page. Let me get an idea what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's see what else is in there. That's a happy one, Pete.
Peanut, show us happy. What's happy? Happy! Yay! That's happy! Good Peanut!
that was just-
Well, we're back with the triplets inside watching Halloween videos because they were running amok. Right, guys?
Yeah,
Yeah.
running amok.
They were running amok.
Yeah.
What does that even mean?
It means they're running all around and getting into absolutely everything. Okay, guys, we've got our happy face. What do you guys think? Does it look happy? Yeah, looks pretty happy to me.
Looks really happy.
It's a cute little happy, kind of goofy little guy.
Oh,
Right?
I see.
He's kind of goofy happy. He's not scary. All right. What have we got there, Auntie? We've got a lot of seeds.
Ooh,
Are we gonna
I'm
scoop them?
it out.
You want to scoop them out? Okay, you can scoop it out. Ew, I can smell it. It smells like pumpkin.
Right.
Pumpkin. We could probably.
Auntie's going to get the bucket closer to you so that you can scoop all the little seeds out. Oop. Oh, they went flying a little bit.
It's pretty hard to do.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, well, maybe Auntie can scoop the seeds
Yeah.
out. What do you think, Auntie?
maybe I'll do that. All right,
Yeah.
let's see. But let me cut some
I guess
more.
I guess all the local wildlife are going to get something to eat later.
Yeah. Let me see. Are we doing a scary face?
Yeah.
We're doing a scary
Yeah.
face.
Scary face. Okay. So scary face has lots of teeth, right? Or
It's more jagged, I think. More jaggedy teeth.
like fangs.
Yeah, like fangs or
All right.
something.
Vampire.
Let's think.
We've got our scary pumpkin. We're done. Which one do you guys like better?
Scary.
You like the scary one better or the Jamie, which one do you like better?
Happy.
You like the happy one. Okay, well, I don't know which one I like. They both are pretty cute.
Hey kids, who wants to carve this pumpkin?
Me.
It's a cake. Let's cut this cake. Here we go. One piece cakes right here. Who has the plate? Don't put your hand in there, Andrew.
Me.
Andrew, where's your plate? Let's see if we can get you one.
That is one delicious looking
Oh, it
pumpkin.
looks really good.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Hold still, please. Careful. Oh, this is going to be kind of a little hard to get out. Let's see if we can pull it.
Do you see the little vines along the side of the pumpkin?
So
Ooh.
we can get it out. Hold still.
I wonder what kind of cake is it? Chocolate cake?
Okay, hold your plate
It's
up.
chocolate. Ilea's
hold
gonna
the
be
plate up.
happy.
Ilea,
Jamie
hold
was
the plate
hoping
up.
for vanilla cake, but Ilea
Oh,
loves
it's
chocolate.
chocolate.
Woo!
Chocolate.
I like the chocolate.
Oh, you want a piece of
Yumpina
cake.
said, I want a chocolate.
I would
I
like
want a chocolate.
cake.
Okay, you guys.
Hold on there. This one's for little
Oh.
Alyssa. If you hold it still. Oh, it's coming apart.
That's
a
for,
little.
who's that one
Yeah,
for?
that's for Alyssa. Want to hold it still there?
Is
Ellie,
this one
wanna-
for
that
Alyssa?
one's
Jamie,
for
don't,
Alyssa.
Jamie.
Me.
You naughty little.
Wait a minute. Now let's get a plate for
Little
Andrew.
toad.
Somebody get a plate for Andrew, please. Right up there.
Jamie tasted this.
Oh, he did.
Oh,
There's a pumpkin plate right up there. I wanna
Oh,
see-
Ilea, can you get another pumpkin plate?
yeah, we got another beautiful piece of cake.
Yummy.
Look at
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Orange is
Ooh.
orange.
Let me get over
Me.
here.
What's the chocolate?
Who needs one? Who's got a plate? Ellie, can you please get me another plate?
Okay.
Honey? Thank you.
Mmm. Is that good cake? Alyssa P?
Here's one for little Derek. See, I'll go give it to
Oh,
him.
and Ilea, can you
Ooh,
get
that
take one of
looks
these and
good.
give it to Derek?
Doesn't that look good?
Mmm.
It's
Yeah.
chocolate.
Mommy wants one too.
Jamie's got a cookie over there.
Has
And
Jamie
one more
got his
plate,
yet?
please, honey.
Jamie, did you get yours?
Arleia, one more plate, please.
No, because I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like chocolate
he doesn't
cake.
like
That's
chocolate. He
right.
likes
Oh
vanilla.
dear. Well, Jamie, there are cookies. I'm sure you'll like
yeah,
the chocolate
Jamie likes
cookies, right?
All right, put the plate down, please. Thank you so much. Look at this cake. Oh, that looks good. If you like it, that's yours.
Yeah.
We'll get one more for mommy.
Oh
Can you
yeah.
get
I'll
a
have
nice-
I'll have a slice. Oh yeah.
Let's get one more plate noodle.
Can you get me one,
Arleia, wanna get
Ilea?
another plate? Well
All
done.
right.
Now look at how beautiful this cake is. It's just
I
like a little
love the pumpkin.
Just like a little pumpkin. There we
The
go.
pumpkin.
Yeah.
All right, and
All right.
Auntie is gonna have some too. But let's sign off, guys. Let's go and eat. Say bye-bye.
But
Bye.